Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Harmony won right now. Are you excited, guys? Are you excited? 8.11% right now, 7.81% right now up. But look at yesterday's pump, guys. Look at yesterday's pump. 36%, and it went all the way up to 60% actually. It broke all the moving averages. It was bottoming out right over here. Right over here it was bottoming out. It looks so nice right now. It's breaking this downtrend line that was holding for so long. It's above all the moving average. Not only that, look at this, it's getting a retest on the 50 moving average. So nice. It's insane. It's insane. I didn't think this was possible. Not only on Harmony, but on a lot of altcoins that are going through consolidation. But right now, like, this might be, if this holds right now, it actually might be end of the consolidation and the start of the new move to the upside. How long that move is gonna be, it doesn't matter. But just that this is happening, not only am I bullish on Harmony right now, I'm more bullish on Bitcoin. Because when you think about Bitcoin like going through some kind of consolidation, some kind of downtrend, whatever, right, then you think like everything is gonna go. But when these altcoins, right, Harmony one and certain other ones starts breaking these very important resistance lines, you kind of get bullish about everything, not just the Harmony one. Anyways, we're gonna get in the charts, but before we do that, there's a Patreon link down below, there's a Telegram link down below, there's a like button, there's a subscribe button, there's a comment section, you know, all kinds of things happening below the video. So click something, check out something out, and join the Telegram channel, because we are trying to hit 4,000 members. That's it. Let's get into the charts as always, and make my face smaller, charts bigger. Not a bad thing, like it's a good thing, make you looking at charts on a big screen and see what's actually happening here. Wow, so nice. This was one of the most nicest candles you can have. If you were hodling this for a long time, this is maybe your birthday present. Like, that's how nice it is. Not only that, it actually closed. It didn't just close right above the 50 moving average. No. It closed all the way up here. It broke this one. All kinda levels got broken. This looks so nice. This looks so beautiful. There are no words that can describe what I'm feeling right now. Like, I feel love. You know, love. So let's see what's actually happening here. So this line over here, the trend line, right? It was holding us back for a long time. We were trying to several times, like, to break, just couldn't. And this 100 moving average actually gave us a lot of support. And right now we actually explode. So I was trying to draw this line a little bit differently on a certain other time frames on the weekly, but there is no way you can draw this line where we don't break it. So I was thinking, like, yeah, maybe there is another line, maybe this one over here, but every line is getting broken. You understand? Maybe a monthly. Let's see monthly. Oh, there it is. Monthly. maybe monthly. We only on month, even on monthly we broke. If there was a way to zoom in on this, even on monthly we are broken, but monthly is not yet finished, but we are certainly going up there. Now important resistance, we can already draw it up here, 0.17. that's good. And now we're gonna go back down here. So 0.17 all-time close monthly, there is a resistance. We also have this resistance up here at 0.2. that's gonna also play out. So we technically only have two resistance on the way out, the big ones. That's the monthly 0.70 and the weekly 0.2, and we're gonna see what's happening with those. Let's remove this line over here and go back, yeah, or let's move this line over there and go back to the daily chart and see some other resistances that might actually give us right now problems. And you can see here there is a lot of happening. We have bottoms down there, tops up here. There is some kind of trading going on here. So the way I see it, these bottoms are actually broken, more or less. Then this is right now here is giving us problem, and we got resistance on the upside. So what we conclude from this is, let's go back to the daily chart, that the resistance area should be around here, where this top is all the way up to the 0.78. what's that, 0.18, and then you got of course the top line down here. So technically only two resistances. Let's remove this previous line because all of that is broken. We can also just leave this up here, and you can see here it looks very nice. We can also remove this trend line, it is acting as support, but right now we have a lot of support on the moving averages down here. This is the 50, 20 and 100 moving average, so I'm thinking this might actually go a couple of days sideways just to give this 10 and 20 chance to pick up with the price and then push the price above these resistances, because I think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna happen. It looks very nice, guys. And also look at how heavy the 4 hourly chart is riding this 10 moving average. That's why it's going so fast. You know, the 4 hourly and 10 moving average. It's riding it really fast to the upside right now. So this is actually a very speedy move, and I think we have to go to the 1 hourly to actually see how speedy this is. You can see here that it's climbing really fast, but that's because we did the climb entirely like 60%. That's why you see this very speedy move. So what I'm expecting right now is some kind of consolidation here above the moving averages, maybe even the pullback down to moving average, because we are technically extended from the moving averages. So we're gonna see, but these moving averages have to come back to the price has to come back to the moving averages. I either sideways or something like that, and then explode through the resistances here and up there on all-time high. So it looks very good. I'm just very excited that we managed to do this. Like I mean I've been following a lot of altcoins on the Patreon site. We got this altcoin daily video going on, right? And like Harmony One plus like 4, 5, 6 others have been going through these huge corrections, right? But none of them did what right now Harmony is doing. It's breaking these really important levels of resistance, and not just trying, it actually broke it, and not only that, got support on the moving averages, and it's right now pumping. So you're doing incredibly well. So let's see if we can find anything that actually can stop this. Some kind of a there is no divergence here. That's very good, good thing. Let's see on the weekly chart if we can find anything. Right now there is no divergences on the weekly chart either, so everything looks dandy as always. Everything is working according to plan. So if there is gonna come some kind of a topping out or something like that, I don't think it's gonna come here. I think we can actually continue going I think we can continue going higher up here, and then we'll maybe get the divergence, and that might actually give us some kind of correction. But right now it just looking so powerful. It's looking so good. It looks very healthy, and there is nothing that I can put my finger on that isn't the way it should be. Like, yes, we are hitting the resistance, but it's a normal move. There is no divergences on the daily chart. Let's see if there's on the 4 hourly chart something like that. Maybe there is some kind of divergence there. Let me see here. Right now there is not even divergence up here on the last part. So everything is moving according to how it should be moving. Maybe here on the 1 hourly there is some kind of divergence, so that's why might actually get us because the price is going up, the RSI is going down. So maybe we should get some kind of a small not correction but consolidation here. But I already said that on the daily we might maybe need to wait a little bit, but I don't think so. We can also tomorrow we can pump more. You know, I'm not gonna speculate too much. Assumptions are really bad. What I want to tell you right now, that this Harmony One is looking really good, really healthy, and only way I would doom it that something is bad is if it starts breaking back down below the moving averages on the daily chart, or if on the 4 hourly chart it goes below 0.12 or something like that. Where is 0.12 on the daily? 0.12, is it 0.12? 125, 120, 0, 12, 25. Yeah, that's all the way down here. So you can see if we go below all the moving averages on the daily chart, technically I would say something is bad, but as long as we are keeping above the moving averages on the daily chart, like no problem. Yes, you can fall down to the 50 moving average just like we did over here. We can fall down to the 50 moving average, but still no problem. It looks very nice, especially now that Bitcoin is doing some shenanigans. This is a very welcome sight to the crypto right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. You know what to do with the Patreon link and the Telegram link down below. Also, you know what to do with the like button, subscribe button, all that shebang. But do subscribe if you want to keep on following what's happening with the Harmony or other altcoins and stuff like that. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that you stopped by my channel. It's always a welcome sight. And see you around. Bye-bye.